On this thing, I'm not gonna lie to you. Installing this, even using the hot water method on a bandsaw that's big, say 16, 18 inches, my saw is 18 inches, is a huge pain in the butt, man. Let me tell you, it took me probably 15 minutes to get that tire on there, and I had to clamp it. Make sure if you use these spring clamps, they don't work. They work okay, but they pop off sometimes. I used a couple of these, but some of these little body pliers, body vice grips work great. They hold it and it doesn't move. You need a couple big screwdrivers and a lot of patience and pure muscle, because you got to stretch this thing, and man, it is tight. I'm telling you, tight. I'm plumb tuckered out. Hey, be safe in your shop. Until the next time, have a good one.